pointed out to me that the exam for Lección 3 in Spanish 101 doesn't have the correct audio file. You may have a grayed out file that won't play. And so I want to show you how to fix this as well as do a few other things here. I was initially going to just correct the master site and have you recopy the test from the master site, but realized that that would involve more steps. So just watch this little video and you should be able to fix the problem on your own in no time. So I'm on the master page here. I've already fixed the problem in the quiz on the master page, but I'm just going to retrace my steps here to show you what I did. So you go to Quizzes and Exams, and you go to Examen Lección 3, that's the problem area right now, is Examen Lección 3. And you're on the Properties screen, you're going to scroll down to where it says Add or Edit Questions. It will ask you, it may ask you to confirm edit questions, or it may not. Either way, press Continue. And I'm going to be now at the quiz editing screen. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to delete a little section that appears right above Lección 3 Escuchar. That is the professor asked questions. I initially planned to use a section like that on the exam, but then decided against it, but forgot to delete it. So you'll want to click the little box next to that, like professor asks the questions section, and then just follow the instructions to delete it, get rid of it, and then you should see your total points reduced to 70, right? Now I want to go fix the problem with a bad audio file. So I'm going to click on Escucharse. You're going to see a little box like this where there's an audio file. Yours is probably grayed out, and then some text, right? And so it's kind of weird about letting you select the audio file to delete it. So what I do is I just do a Command All and then a delete. Okay, Command Alt and a delete to get rid of whatever's in this little box here, right? Okay, so then what I need to do is I need to rewrite those instructions into the box before I put the new audio file in there, right? So I've, on a Word document, I've saved the wording for the instructions so that I can just kind of grab them and stick them back in there. So I'm going to copy and paste from the Word document those instructions back in there. Then I'll do a little space where I want the audio button to go. And then I'm going to go to this little icon that says Insert Stuff. And I've saved the audio file here to my desktop. I will send you a copy of this audio file in the email where I send you this video link. So you'll have that ready, hopefully saved on your desktop. Open it.
Lección 3.
Oops.
Prueba
I don't
F.
want to open it to play it. I just want to open it to put it in here. So it's queued up now. I'm going to click Upload. It's going to ask me if I want to create a new file or overwrite an existing. I'll overwrite an existing. And then it's going to bring me to this little screen where it wants me to put in link text. I have no clue what that means. I just write audio file. That should suffice here. I'll scroll down and do Insert, right? Should also give you a little preview here of what it's going to look like. All right, so there we go. We're all queued up now, and all I need to do is save, and I've fixed the problem. Okay, so now in Lección 3 Escuchar, you'll have the correct audio file. And the way that you can check on this is you can go back to your settings here. Let's see. Actually, you have to go back even farther. Actually, I'm going to go back into Quizzes and Exams from the Quiz and Exam menu. I'm going to go back to this little arrow next to the name of the exam, and I'm going to go to Preview and do Start Quiz at the bottom of the screen. I'm going fast here. And I'm going to see the audio right here that I want, and let's check if it works.
Lección 3. Prueba F. Hola amigos, me llamo Ana Isabel.
Okay, yep, that's the right one. So let's exit the preview, and let's do one last thing here while we're in BrightSpace. Let's correct the points on the quiz in the gradebook. We brought it down to 70 points, right? From, I think it was up at 100. So we're going to go to Manage Grades. We're going to go to Examen Lección 3. We're going to edit that. And in this little box here, you'll change it from 100 to 70. I've already done this because, like I said, I corrected the problem already. So that